that's really pretty cool about pressure cookers is that studies are showing that it actually reduces some anti-nutrients like phytates and lectins more than other ways of cooking. So anti-nutrients mean it's something in usually a grain or a legume that prevents our body from digesting and assimilating all the nutrients available as well as possible, right? So we talk about this when we talk about things like soaking grains and soaking beans. When you soak, your beans, your dry beans overnight, it's supposed to start to break down those anti-nutrients because the seed is kind of getting ready to grow, okay? And it's saying, great, I'm not going to be eaten. I can let my guard down and get ready to grow. And we're like, going to eat you anyway. Now that your guard is down, I can assimilate more of those nutrients. As it turns out, pressure cooking really actually does about the same thing. It doesn't mean you shouldn't soak your beans, okay? But it does mean that cooking beans on the stovetop for a couple hours ends up with more anti-nutrients than pressure cooking the same dry beans for 35 minutes. Soaking the beans and then pressure cooking them is the best possible, action that gets rid of the most anti-nutrients. So it's really pretty cool that pressure cooking turns out research-based wise to get rid of some of the things that we want to get rid of anyway.